Hello, and welcome to the August 31st, 2020 edition of the etcdadm office hours. Okay. So I saw that I guess the first thing is maybe the PRs and etcdadm or etcd manager. I just took a look and LGTM'd the style checks PR. I don't know if that's, oh, okay, it merged. Okay, perfect. And I hope that you saw that I also LGTM'd the 165, which is initial support for running etcd under kubelet. I had just a couple like nits, and I just put a hold on it just in case I think you wanted to update the comment, but if you don't, you can just merge it.
Thank you. I will update. I'll update. I don't know if you saw on the big one, the 162 merge, I got the CLA bot to be happy, and so I know it's a miracle. And so I think now that you've merged the style checks, if I rebase 162, it should go green, which would be a happy day.
162. I don't know why I don't see it. Is it
really?
That's very strange.
It's number 3 for me on the list. I don't know why you don't see it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at issues, not PRs. That's why.
That'll do it.
That's why I don't see it. Yes, there it is. Okay. So, oh, so you got the CLA bot to be happy. Okay.
Yes, I had to update people's. So the CLA bot is not time aware. So I had to update people's emails to the latest email. So this is a sort of a bug, I guess, in the CLA bot because, of course, like at some point, I don't know if I don't know what's going to go on, but like if I were to remove my email from my GitHub, like suddenly the PRs are no longer in CLA compliance, which is an interesting idea. Because obviously it's not right, but like, yeah, so it's just like not right. And so like one person had an old email and I updated for their correct email. And I think there were some other things I had to fix, but nothing too significant. I think that was the big one. And then the invalid commit message I have a fix for. I guess I didn't rewrite it, but yeah, so it's like removing some of the closes and ats that were not allowed. But that's a simple rewrite.
Is that something that is that a CLA bot? But I don't know if that gets filed anywhere, or if somebody, if any SIG needs to know about that, I can.
We have an existing discussion with the CLA bot around the notion that they should just provide us an API, and we can do the checking. Okay. So let's leave it at that with them for now. I feel like. Yeah, then I mean, yeah, it's yeah, we'll see. But if we can get that,
it sounds like a bit of an, I guess maybe for now it seems like a bit of an edge case. Although it's not correct, but it.
I mean, for example, if Red Hat were to change their domain name, were to give everyone IBM.com emails, like would we have to pull out half of Kubernetes? That would be a whoopsie. So like plainly, like this is just not right. But yeah, that's what was actually causing the problems. Like there were not actually any contributions from people that had not signed the CLA. There were people that had signed it using or had contributed using a previous email that is no longer their signed email.
Got it. Okay.
Which I think affects you as well, actually, by the way.
Interesting. But so yeah. but does it mean that, I mean, I guess if there's some commit that I made with an older email, then it won't pass the CLA check again. But
Right.
assuming that it's already merged somewhere, then it's.
Yes, but like, so for example, if we were to combine etcdadm into, yes, then all your PRs made with your previous email would fail.
Interesting.
Which is effectively what we've done here, right?
I see.
So that's exactly what happened. It just took a long time to figure it out.
And so I would have, yeah, I guess I wouldn't really be able to add my email to GitHub, or the old email back to GitHub, because I don't have, I think there's some kind of verification process. And so then the only recourse I would have is, is to update those commits. Is that the idea? Is that what you did?
So I rewrote the email addresses on some of those commits.
Ouch. Ouch. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, it's I don't know if that's, anyway. I mean, this could be like a longer tangent. I don't know. It doesn't. It seems strange to me that I mean, this could be fixed with another level of indirection, right? Basically, what seems strange to me is that what we're talking about is the CLA has to do with maybe I don't know. Yeah, that's an interesting question. I was thinking like the CLA is with respect to the person, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's with respect to the person acting, for the employer or something, and that's why it has to do with the email address. Who knows? Yeah, this is a tricky one.
I don't know. It's also bizarre because I could also just, like, once it's in, I can copy and paste the code. It's just because we want to preserve history, so we can see, like, why is this code here? It's because of this bug fix, right? Like, yeah. But of course, if we didn't want to preserve history, we could just copy and paste it.
Oh, I see, because it's already passed the CLA check. So wait a minute, that's actually. I wonder if one way to go about this is to somehow, add evidence to the commit that it has previously passed the CLA check. Anyway, sorry. Now this is like this is off topic now.
This is a topic for a different call, I think.
Yeah.
Yes. Anyway, we are green on CLA, but I will thank you for merging the style check, and I will rebase, and hopefully we'll go green on everything.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for.
Your video is very laggy, by the way. I'm going to turn off my video.
I'm having. It's strange that I'm not getting any. Zoom is not complaining, but yeah. Let me stop my video. Yeah, your audio was cutting out for me, but okay. So, go ahead.
Oh, that was it. Yeah, I was just gonna say, like, there was a lag between your voice on my side. I observed a lag between your video and your audio.
Interesting. I still hear you. So your voice is coming in, but it's like it's cutting out. It's cutting out in very small increments. So yeah, I don't know how to describe it exactly. It's like yeah. It's like Zoom's trying to manage with less bandwidth, but still make it intelligible. What
yes.
What else is that the last? So initial support for running etcd under kubelet. I guess that's separate. That I think can yeah. I mean that can go in. If you want me to, I can just remove that hold. But if you get a chance to, I just had a question about I think adding a comment there. And then for etcd manager.
Yeah, I'll happily add a comment.
Okay.
Sorry, yeah, this is a difficult. Yes, I guess Zoom is overloaded. One of my goals is to get etcd manager published as an image into case.gcr.io, so that we don't have to pull it from Docker Hub, because Docker Hub is going.
Okay.
Whatever you want to call that.
Okay. Is that so? Can I help with that, or is there, or?
Help is welcome, but I think actually we're in good shape. I mean, I think we got that PR merged into Kubernetes/Kates.io. So I think we have a staging repo, and I think from there we can create. Now we can create a test infra job to build these things, and then we can promote containers today, or that's already there. I think the non-image artifacts, so like things like the etcdadm binary, that's what I'm separately working on, and that will come soon. But if you wanted to package etcdadm in a Docker container, we could publish it that way as well, and it's not a bad way to do these things.
Okay. I guess the only place where we published a binary today is just as a GitHub release.
Yes, yeah. So you will have the ability to publish. Currently, it's going to artifacts.kates.io. But yes, it will be another place to download from. That I think GitHub still has rate limits, and this will not be as rate limited.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how, if it's a container image, it's definitely going to be tricky to make it work with systemd. I think as a container image. I mean, not impossible, obviously, but just a little tricky. I mean, if it needs to run in a container, but if we want to distribute it, then I guess somebody can just copy the binary out of the container image. I don't know.
That's not a bad idea. Yeah, I mean, no pressure on this. Like, this is just like what's available.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's any downside to adding that, as long as there's still some way to just download the binary itself.
Yes, and that will be. I mean, you can always do the GitHub upload, and hopefully within the next month or so, we'll have the ability to download binaries, like to promote and download and start binaries.
Yeah. Okay. So then for etcd manager, once you rebase, is there anything else that we need to do to get it into the repo?
I don't believe so. I think that should be it. I think we'll have. I haven't yet figured out if we can cut over, so we'll probably have to like move PRs in one direction or the other until everyone goes to one place, or copy PRs in one direction to the other. But yeah, I mean, I'm hoping to once we get that merged, I'm hoping to try to publish the image and try to switch the place we source the image from, and then hopefully start directing PRs into our etcdadm repo and start seeing like more PRs. More people, more PRs.
Okay. Wondering if there's something that's been maybe we want sooner than later, but yeah, still I haven't worked on it, is the API types or configuration. for etcdadm. Is that something that's going to be a blocker for for anybody? Or is I guess what I'm wondering, is there anything that is going to be a blocker or just a problem for new contributors that we should or that I should try to address soon?
I hope not. I don't think so. I'll have to get the tests running, and then hopefully we can have I think my broad hope is that we get like parity in terms of the test coverage, and then we start maximizing the reuse and so that like any tests in etcd manager are like also testing etcdadm code, and that we don't have duplication, and that effectively the two become the same and start working the same way. And we can also add some etcdadm specific tests to do the same sort of thing that we're currently doing in etcd manager.
Okay. All right. Well, sounds like a good plan then. Okay. Is there anything I need to do or that you'd like me to do right now or today?
No, I think
if there's anything.
Sorry.
I know there are a couple of other PRs that have been around for a long time, like the renew certificate subcommand and things like that. But nothing that's blocking etcd manager. Okay. Okay. I guess that's, I don't have anything else right now.
No, right. Yeah, if there's nothing else, I have perf on right now, so I can use the time.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right.
Well, yeah, thanks for the review of the other one, and I will get that other one merged, or I will get that other one mergeable, I should say.
Okay. Yeah. So is there anything I'm not gonna need to. Well, I guess just ping me on GitHub. I'll be sure to catch that. But yeah, I don't think you need any. Well, I guess yeah, maybe you want. Yeah, you need a. I'll look at 163, or yeah, 162. Is that? Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Also, once you rebase, I will look at that and I'll GTM it, and then maybe same thing with 163. Okay, I'll be on the lookout for.
Yeah, I have to rebase 163.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah. All right. Have a good rest of your day.
Awesome. Happy Monday.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.